Greetings, adventurers. Today, it is about 6 p.m., 69 degrees. We're going to be entering Jay Cooke State Park from the rear. Going to Lost Lake. I'm expecting to have to do a little bushwhacking today and make our own campsite. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I don't know if it's a hornet's nest. That might be a bird nest. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but anyway, I want to go to Lost Lake campsite, but it's, like I said, 6 p.m. already, and I still have to hike 4 miles. I'm 95% sure there's gonna be somebody there already. So, I'm pretty much counting on we're gonna have to make our own campsite tonight. Alright, so we're about 2.5 miles in. Coming out to a beautiful view. I think you might be able to see down here in the bottom. I think that might be the Sanctuary River. That's, I think, where we're headed. Another overlook. Magnificent. Alright, so just got to the Lost Lake campsite and there are people there, but I knew there was going to be. So, continuing on a little further down the trail, and then when I go off trail, I have a spot picked out, I think, that I might be able to find a nice place to camp. Alright, well I just found my place I'm going to camp. Right again, it's the river here. And look what I found. It looks like a beaver. Might be a river otter down at the shore of the river. I don't know if you guys can see that up here. Oh, there's a couple of them. I think those are river otters. Alright, well, I'm going to finish setting up camp. It is getting dark. Alright, so set up camp. Saw the river otters down there. Hung out for a while, and now it's about 9:30. I think I'm going to head to bed. Been a long day for me, a long night. It's already nice and dark, so I'm gonna head to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It was a wonderful night last night. I didn't sleep too well. It was very, very humid, so it was like I kept waking up feeling like my sleeping bag was wet or something, but it was just extremely humid night last night. There are otters. I could hear them slapping the water and splashing all night long. And I think I found their den. This looks like it could be their house. Right here. Cool. Well, I'm gonna eat some breakfast and get set up and figure out what I'm doing today, because I have no plans. Alrighty, folks. It was a pretty lazy day today. I didn't do anything. I laid around next to the river for quite a few hours. I took a nap for like a few hours. I didn't sleep well last night, so took a long nap. Yeah, I just kind of laid around my campsite for the whole day. It's about 6 o'clock now, and I think I'm gonna head out. Got about 5 miles back to the car. Hopefully I get there before dark. Actually, it's 6. Yeah, it's 2 hours. Be 8 o'clock. Yeah, I have plenty of time. But it was beautiful out here. Saw some river otters and such. Right before I left my campsite, there was a couple people in a canoe canoeing up the river, fishing. Just fishing. It's kind of nice. A little baby gardener snake. He's so cute. So this was a little confusing. You can see the trail over there on the other side. It just kind of stops there. Apparently, there's supposed to be a bridge here that's out. It would have been nice if they had a sign or something. So then the trail continues. They weren't able to clear the path, so I have to hike through all of this. Awesome. Yay, adventure. Baby gardener snake. This is really cool. I think I recorded it on the way coming in, but there's a railroad bridge way out there. There weren't any trains on it when I came. And then that train just pulled up. I could hear it. It was super loud. Coming in there, stopping, and now it's sitting there. I wish I would have gotten it moving across the bridge, but hey. Pretty cool, kids. These stairways can be brutal. Oh my goodness. Alright, I've reached the trailhead. Try to leave this beautiful sunset in the background. It is almost exactly 8 o'clock, so made some pretty good time. Yeah, this trail was a lot of ups and downs. It was a nice trail though, a lot of views, a lot of great views. Got to see some river otters. Those guys were pretty cool. Saw a woodpecker. Yeah, had a good time. What a wonderful adventure. But yeah, until next adventure, see you next time.